wanna go where the lights are low and the dreamers are chasing. I wanna live like we don't know much, but we know we're gonna make it. And I don't wanna spend another night alone. I wanna go, cause if we don't leave now, then we're never gonna make it home.
I'm living front row, y'all can take the mezzanine. Backseat chillin', treating life like it's a magazine. 17 and making money, with no doubt. Had a crush on Gwen Stefani, you no doubt. Like I woke up inside a new Bugatti. Let's roll out, nobody told me this was just a hobby. You know now, but if you didn't then you probably would've got it. I remember breaking even, now we at it, making profit. I ain't tryna take the throne, but baby give me options like I'm Geno Smith. I tell them do it on your own, me and Keena did. And now we tryna take the road less traveled, cause sometimes the best shit's secret. So take your old ways, cause we don't need it. I'm doing it my way, so don't repeat it. And if you say it's just a dream, I don't feel it. You wanna take me down a notch, but this is more appealing. Like I got the type of life that no one tryna mess with. You got the Michaela Maroney bitches ain't impressed with.
I wanna go where the lights are low and the dreamers are chasing. I wanna live like we don't know much, but we know we're gonna make it. I don't wanna spend another night alone. I wanna go, cause if we don't leave now, then we're never gonna make it home. Wait until I make it home. Wait until I make it home.
I ain't a movie star, I ain't a ball player, but if you ask me what I do it all, player. I got these girls going wild like I'm John Mayer, and I don't need a damn guitar. Watch me, I'm going far, living out all my dreams. I used to live in my car, now it's a limousine. I put it in the garage, right next to my degrees. $100 for a hat, trying to keep it supreme. I bet you trying to fit in with your best friends. Well, your best friends made some bad investments. I wish I could, but I don't believe you for a second. You say you living good, well call me when the Mets win. The Mets winning independent, doing it independent. They told me I hit a wall, they wondering where I'm headed. Busy buying a bar and they busy trying to rent it. It happens when you sit around and wait cause you forget it. And I've been playing poker with a blind man, throwing all my chips in, working till I'm breaking every record like I'm Ripken. Bang!
I wanna